Hey guys, Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Nothing says fall like beautiful mums. I just love how they're cold hardy and the color. Well, behind me, these mums were planted, but they forgot one important step. What was it? Find out coming up. Hey guys, Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. We're talking chrysanthemums today, or popularly known as mums. Thousands of varieties of mums. They can be yellow, red, orange, pink, white, and purple. And look at this beautiful planting of mums right here. And look how healthy a lot of these mums are. Very expensive. This display worth hundreds of dollars, and I'm carefully noticing something about some of these mums. And let's look at a healthy mum right here. As you can see, the color deep green, the leaves very sturdy, flowers not droopy. And let's look at a mum that is going through some damage right here. Now look at this mum right here in particular. See how it's droopy right here? Now what happened here is this mum was not watered in after it was planting. And let's look at the soil right there. As you can see, rather dry. Now this is a mum that was watered frequently. And I would say after a new planting, you want to water your mums at least every day for at least a week. And as the temperature drops, you can water them less frequently. But that's a shame right there, because each one of these plants is probably about $50 to $60 right there. Chrysanthemums in many countries are associated with death in countries like France and Belgium and Spain, but here in the U.S. I think that they're beautiful and I associate them with life. Oh, chrysanthemums, a beautiful flower. Mums, a wonderful addition to the fall garden. Don't forget to water though. I'm Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. I hope you enjoyed this tip. I'll see you in that next video.